morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about evolution of arithmetic expressions. Precedence of operators. The operators in C are evaluated in a specific order. This is known as precedence of operators. Associativity. This indicates the order in which consecutive, repeated operations within the same precedence groups are carried out. The following table gives the precedence of arithmetic operators and their associativity. Table shows the precedence and associativity of arithmetic operators. Precedence level. For example, if I can face parents operators, expressions inside the brackets, then second one is exponent, third one is plus plus, minus minus, unary minus. We need to give the associativity is right to left, and then if we can face a star, asterisk symbol or multiplication symbol, we can call it as division symbol, a modulus symbol. Then associativity is left to right, then plus, minus, left to right. These are the symbols, these are the operators we are facing under C or else any in given problem. Then we'll follow this particular associativity to solve a given problem. With the help of one problem, we'll understand how these things are working. If more than one set of parentheses appear, one after another, the expression contained in the left most set is evaluated first. For example, if you face more than one parenthesis appear in one after another, the expression contained in the left most set first. Initially we need to give the priority, preference to solve that particular information, content evaluated first, and the rightmost is the last one. When nesting of parentheses is involved, then the expression in the innermost parenthesis is evaluated first, the next innermost pair second, and so on to the outermost parents contents at last. Then algorithm to evaluate an arithmetic expression as follows. Step 1. Evaluate any expression written in parentheses. Step 2. Evaluate the terms associated with unary operands. Evaluate the terms associated with multiplication, division and modulus operators. If more than one such operator appears, then operators are performed from left to right. For example, if you faced multiplication, division, modulus operator, otherwise continuously, if more than one such operators are appeared, then obviously we'll prefer left to right operations. Step 4. Evaluate the terms associated with addition and subtraction operators. If more than one such operator appears, the operator are performed from left to right. Same thing here, addition and subtraction operator. If more than one you faced operators, means obviously just you prefer left to right operations. We'll understand this example, like how we're going to prefer all those operators to solve this particular problem. First, initially they have given x equals to 9 minus 12 divided by 3 plus 3 multiplication 2 minus 1. As according to this particular thing, here they have given 9 minus 12 divided by 3 plus 3 multiplication 2 minus 1. Here we are facing more than one parenthesis. First we need to give the priority, preference to solve that particular information. First we need to solve 3 plus 3, left to right will move. Okay, 3 plus 3 is nothing but 6. 3 plus 3, 6 into 2 minus 1, how much? 1. Then first, according to that, this thing, 6 into 1 is nothing but 6. Then x equals to again 9 minus 12 divided by 6. 12 divided by 6. For example, here division have higher priority. That's why 12 by 6 we need to calculate. 12 by 6, what is the value? X equals to 9 minus 12 by 6. For example, 6 into 2, 12. Whatever the quotient value we are facing while calculating, we need to take that value here. If we can face division symbol, the answer you should take quotient value. That quotient value can act as a answer in division symbol wherever you are facing in given problem. If you face division symbol, obviously you need to take a quotient as an answer for that particular information, I mean content. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Quotient value of 12 divided by 6 is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. The answer is 7 for this particular example. Okay, this is about how to solve particular this thing, arithmetic expressions. Then again, relational expressions. A relational expression is a valid combination of variables, constants, and relational operators. Generally, relational expressions compare the values of two variables or expressions through relational operators. These operators are used to construct expressions that evaluate to true or false. Consider the following table. With this table, understand the precedence and associativity of each relational expressions things. Operator meaning precedence and associativity. Operator lesser than, precedence is 1. Associativity left to right. Left to, we need to give the associativity, means while solving we need to come from left to right. Then lesser than or equal to, precedence is 1, left to right. Greater than, precedence is 1, first precedence, that is left to right. Greater than equals to, precedence obviously first, left to right. Double equals to, I mean equal to, precedence is 2, left to right. Not equal to, precedence is 2, left to right. Then simple relational expression contains only one relational operator and takes following form. Syntax: arithmetic expression A is nothing but arithmetic expression minus 1, relational operator arithmetic expression minus 2, where A minus 1 and A minus 2 are arithmetic expressions which may be a simple constants, variable, or combination of them. Example here, relational expression, how to check that particular thing with the help of those particular symbols, using of particular symbols. 4.5 less than equals to 10. Obviously the information is true because obviously 4.5 is lesser than 10. Expression result is true. 4.5 less than minus 10, this is false. That will never be 4.5, like I mean 4.5 is not less than minus 10. Obviously here the expression result is false. A plus B equal to C plus D. True, because whenever the sum of A and B is equal to sum of C and D, then the condition will be true. If the value of A plus B and the value of C plus D varies, obviously the thing will be false. Logical expressions. Logical expressions are compound relational expressions. Expressions involving the logical operators are called logical expressions. The result of a logical expression is either true or false. The logical expression involves and, or, and not operators. The expressions involving not must be evaluated first, then the expression with and must be evaluated, and finally the expression having or should be evaluated. Truth table of logical and, or, and not as follows. As we all know that, as we already discussed about this and, or, and then not information, I mean not operators already. Say operands and then result. Operand 1, operand 2, and then result here. Operand 1, operand 2, I mean false, 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 true, false, true, false, false, true, true, true. See, according to that logical and, if one thing is false, then result will be false. Both things should be true, then only result will be true. If I can come to or, operand 1, operand 2, then result, or operator here. If one thing is true, then obviously result will be true here. False, 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 true, 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 false, true, 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 true. This is about logical or. Then not. Wherever you are facing true, then you need to if you are using a not operator means then obviously if you are facing true, then the result will be false. Here like that, false, input is false, output is true, true, input is true, output is false. This is about logical not.